To which country did the first Secretary General of the UN belong? Norway. War of the Roses War. Civil War in England. The three abundant elements in the Earth's crust are aluminium, oxygen, and silicon. The correct order of their abundance is oxygen, silicon, aluminium. The world's largest international organization and a successor to the League of Nations is UNO. Tomb of Vasco da Gama is situated at Kochi, Kerala. UNO Day is on 24th October. To which of the following country Olympic Airways belong? Greece. Velocity of wind is measured by anemometer. The term used to describe money that flows into a country to take advantage of high rates of interest is called hot money. Todar Mal was all of the above. Unit of energy in MKS system is joule. Tiruchirappalli is situated on river Kaveri. The 15th Asian Games are scheduled to be held at Qatar. The term which refers to the total amount of sales made by a firm in 1 year or the total amount of money changing hands in business is turnover. Treaty of Versailles rearranged the boundaries of several countries in Europe and many countries were formed such as both A and B.